Hi, welcome to Miss Amy's Creations. What I am going to show you is I made sugar cookies today, and if you need the recipe, just let me know in the comments. But I'm making a marbling glaze. So, I'm just going to make a simple glaze. Now, I've doubled this, but you would use 3.5 cups of powdered sugar, anywhere from 3 to 6 tablespoons of milk, and a teaspoon of almond extract. So I'm going to mix that all up, and then I'll show you the next step. Okay, I have 4 bowls out here. I'm going to put a nice large amount in this bowl. And then we are going to divide this up. Now this is all going to depend on how many colors you want. Right now I'm going to use 3 different colors for mine. So I'm just dividing it up. Now, put that aside. Now, you do not have to use the paste gel. You can use regular food coloring. I'm just going to right now color the blue one here for you. So I'm just using a little paste gel. We'll mix that up real good. And then, that should be good. Then all you have to do is, as you're going to take your white, and you're just going to take this color and drizzle it over the top of your white glaze. And I have cookie sheets over here with my grapes on them so that I have some place to just sit these afterwards. But then you just lightly dip them and you get a marbled effect. And that's how you make a marbled cookie. You just set them aside and let them dry.